Hey, welcome to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I have a big black / red oak on here. This is a black oak. I need 11-inch boards, 5/4 thick. And I'm going to be able to get this out of here. We got a 19-inch camp. So we can get a 19-inch log. We can get close to a 14-inch camp, so it's not going to be a problem. Let's see what this side is. Yeah, we got a little rod on it. But what I need, I'm finishing up in a hay wagon. I was a couple boards short, so I'm going to run all this at least to 11-inch camp. I need 4 11-inch boards this long, about 9 foot each. How long is this? Is this even long enough? Just thought of that. I need to cover 18 feet. Oh yeah, this is 10 feet, 5 inches. This was a heavy log. I don't have the log deck up right now because of all my sawdust I got to clean up. I just moved it to clean it up. And so I loaded this up with the tractor on here. It was pretty heavy. It's pretty close to the max of my tractor. But we'll see what this looks like. It does have some knots on it, but for what I'm using it for, trailer deck boards for a hay wagon. Maybe this winter you saw me mill some. I milled a bunch of them for my equipment trailer and another hay wagon. And I thought I had enough, but I don't. So I only need like 7 more boards. I don't have anything warmed up yet. I'm going to fire it up and let's cut. This would be a good test for the log turner too. On the mill, I have a stellite band that I sharpened that has 1 log on it, so it should rip through this with no problems at all. This side's pretty clean. Maybe I'll peel some of this bark off. That always does help too. This blade is cutting really nice. There we go. I'm going to take another inch off of it. I'm getting close to the center. I didn't know if it fit under. It might not fit. It wasn't gonna make it. That turned out really nice. I have 7 11-inch by 5/4. Then I have 3 10.5-inch by 5/4, and that will cover the rest of the wagon. I only needed 4 of the 11s, and then I still have a 1-inch board with some termite damage, and then a 1-inch flitch, another 1-inch board, and I do have another. I guess I got 8-inch and a quarter. There's another 1.25 inch down there, so I did really well. So that'll do it for today, guys. Hope you like the content. Sawmilling, I really enjoy it. It's like Christmas every time you open up one of these. You just don't know what you're going to get. I thought this log was maybe be a little bit better than it was. But I did see a little rot damage at the end, and that's where the termites made their home. Okay, take care. We'll see you next time.